Good morning, Pisces. Welcome to your reading for November 27th, 2020. Please show me what Pisces needs to know here or see. Thank you. I hope you're all doing wonderful today. Your first card. Six of Wands in the upright. The Victory card. Also, a family or workplace dispute. Maybe you won an argument. Your song was called Fight by Nicholas Jarre, and it felt like it was mostly instrumental, and it felt like someone it felt like someone was just effortlessly. Oh, hold on. My cat is sleeping and and she's rolling around and knocking things over on my desk. Yeah, it sounded like someone who was literally so in their groove. Like at first it felt like or sounded like suiting up for armor or like for a battle. And then it sounded like you were just deflecting whatever was coming at you. Like you were so in your rhythm. It was almost like you knew when something was coming at you before it even came at you. Like you were just completely tuned in. It was actually a really cool song, and it built on itself. Like it got more and more complex, but it also got more precise or something like that. All right, in the how. Excuse me. You're also getting noticed. This is being on display. I feel like someone is seeing your worth, seeing your values, seeing how well you figure something out and know what direction to take. In the how, you have the Chaos card in the reverse. Let me think about that. Because nothing is popping in my head right now. I know it's brilliant insight, and it's, wow, where am I getting this block? I feel like that is a block in the reading. Because I felt like I just like bumped into like a white screen. Okay, let's move on and come back. In your why, you have the Six of Swords in the upright. Okay, this is feeling like, okay, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop this forward trajectory that you're on. Like you're truly on. You're in some kind of rhythm. That's the other thing I kept hearing. I feel like there's something huge that you don't understand. Like you can't move. You can't take the next step without something being made clear to you. Like I just felt like a huge block. Like I couldn't think of anything for a second. And I think that's what it is. And I think it's regarding a move. This is the Six of Swords in the upright. This is transferring something. You don't know how you're going to move something. Or you. Or money. This is a transfer of you. This is a transfer of your feelings. This is healing. This is a transfer of money, like a bank transfer. So I feel like you don't know how you're going to accomplish whatever it is you're moving, but this is the victory card. So whatever it is, it's coming. Okay, let's see how you're going to feel. This is something in process, being transferred from one place to another. So you could be moving. Oh, yeah, and that's a moving card. You have the Chariot and how you feel. So that is definitely movement. This could be in a car. This can mean your car. By yourself. For some of you, this is because I always associate this card with horses, and I know someone that's a Pisces with a horse. You don't know how you're going to move your horse. You are trying to figure out a solution to move your horse. This is also a success card. So this is going to happen. This is victory. This is victory. This is movement. This is something that's actually moving. Down here, and we'll bump into this in a minute, this is having faith in something. In your advice, you have the Ten of Cups in the reverse. So that is called anger, and it's bumping up to the Chaos card in the upright. So this is having faith in the face of some kind of huge disappointment. Again, this is a movement card. This is finding your emotional fulfillment far away from home. So there's a lot of movement cards here. But it's been a struggle. A lot of energy, a lot of prep. Oh, that's the other thing that the song made me think of. It made me feel like someone was preparing something, like putting all the pieces together, and they were getting smaller and smaller and smaller as it got to the end. So you could be packing. Something might not be going well. It also feels like it might just be emotionally overwhelming, and you need to remember to have faith. This is also the Hope card. This also means your moral convictions will pay off. Someone could have spoken their truth, and it's right beside gaining more independence. Also, this can mean someone was being a bit of a bully. Bottom of the deck. The Eight of Cups in the upright. Someone's leaving, and it's right below this traveling card. Could be near water as well. This is also finding, oh, this is going to free you up. And this is going to make you so happy. Might make someone else upset, or it might just replace your feelings of frustration or resentment. This is going to make you so happy. So you have the Knight of Cups in the upright, the King of Wands in the upright, birds and fish in the upright. Wow. You have the Light in the upright. Oh, this is sweet. And then the Devil in your advice. And then the Ten of Wands in the reverse at the bottom of the deck. All right. So you're winning here. You're accomplishing your goals. And you have the Knight of Cups on top. So this is someone bringing you an idea. I feel like this could also be you, Pisces, accomplishing what you're trying to accomplish and feeling like this was a really good idea. Like, this feels like patting yourself on the back. In the how, you have the King of Wands in the upright. Funny because he's on the Chaos card, and the Chaos card on this end also means having faith in a man. Some type of keeping your faith regarding a man. This feels like a father figure or someone. King of Wands sees potential in things, and he helps those that he sees helping themselves. Maybe during this whole thing, maybe you were feeling some doubts about this person, but it looks like they're going to come through. This is someone who puts things, like lays out some kind of groundwork. This person might have given you an idea, or you gave them an idea. But this person is putting something into action. Maybe he doesn't even know how, or maybe you don't know, but it's going to work out. In the why, you have the birds and the fish. Okay, so this is he's looking right at this birds and fish card. This is a very motherly card. These could be your parents as well, or you're a parent, and this is a child. I feel like, or like a teenager. This feels very nurturing and healing. This feels like double healing here. So if you're moving somewhere, it looks like it's going to be absolutely like idyllic. You could be moving to your birthplace. You could be moving, you could be traveling to see your mother. But this feels really, really nice. And definitely traveling by car. Then you have the light in the upright in how you feel. That is feeling very clear, very happy, very friends. You could be traveling to see friends as well. This is about friendship. It feels like you've had to strive very hard for this victory in your life. Like I said, there's some kind of movement of money or emotions or yourself. Definitely here it's yourself. But it feels very solitary. And this sun with all these people, it feels like a family. It feels like I want to sing. You guys are lucky I don't. Okay, so in your advice, you have the Ten of Cups in the reverse, which is anger. And then on top of that, you have the Devil in the upright, which is using your instincts. It's a magnetic attraction. I feel like there's somebody that is angry. Maybe there's a Capricorn or someone that's toxic in your life, who's angry at this family that you've created here, or this idyllic situation. These could be anybody, but they're looking towards you, and in a very, very nurturing, comforting way. It's a very healing place. Yeah, so somebody might not be so happy. As your advice, this is saying to use your instincts, to trust your instincts. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Eight of Cups, you have the Eight of Cups in the upright. This is called Blonde Girl. And it's right below the birds and the fish in the protection, in the reconciliation position. So there could be some kind of reunion, some kind of mother-daughter reunion here. Something that makes everybody very happy. Maybe there used to be some distance, some toxicity, but I feel like there's some kind of reunion here. And, oh, the Ten of Wands in the reverse, I feel like this toxic person, this devil energy, who's very angry, doesn't want this to happen. Maybe in the past they've tried to stop it or kind of just get in the way of it, because this is the obstacle card, but it looks to me like it's in the past. Like this person might try and stick like a wedge in between, keep somebody apart, but it doesn't work. And this is also, they're going to know everything. They're going to understand everything about this person, or you're going to. Sweet, Pisces. Okay, so your shuffle song is called Fight, and it's by Nicholas Jar. And I love you guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Oops.